Hello guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and in today's video we're gonna discuss something new. And if you know that the season premiere is upcoming of season 1, it will be after 30 days and 22 hours, so you can check out that. Also, the season 1 starting date is given, and also all the rules, grouping, rewards, etc. All those things are given here. You can see there are lots of rewards for all leaders, core members, elite members, valued members, and all other members. So you can see as there are warzone rewards also. And if you go to rules section, you'll get a glimpse of rules that can useful to you when it starts. So there are Crimson Legion, virus resistance, military stronghold events, city capture, infect virus, and so on. So don't forget to check that out. And I'm gonna talk about something new for server 773 right now. When you click on the building, there's a new profession hall is now available. So I'm gonna place it somewhere, and it's done. So we're gonna check it what it is and what it does, or what are the features of it. So it says welcome to profession hall. Here you can create a personalized development plan. So we can create personalized development plan here. The careers available are engineer, war leader, and diplomat. Each has its strengths, aiding you in expanding territories or conquering lands. Select the corresponding tag to view the characteristics of each profession. Your decision will be determined your profession, and we will create a development plan for you. Please choose carefully. Okay, so we have to choose our profession. You can choose either engineer or war leader. Let's see in engineer what are the profession skills. So engineers are creative and excel in using advanced technology to speed up construction and provide support in combat. They can improve production methods to increase resource efficiency and provide buff to allies. So there are these profession skills like rapid production, level 5, build now, build for free, increase free speed up time for construction minute, cooperative research, and body shield. So these are the profession skills of engineer. And there are war leader skills given here. War leaders are the soul of an army, both leaders and strategists. They maximize troop potential and enhance combat attack effectiveness. They also use clever tactics to increase damage suffered by enemy. So these are the profession skills of war leader, like unit mobilization, immediate return, craze, increase damage during war fever state, disguise, use it to enter disguise state, hides your information and does not appear in enemy battle reports lasting 30 minutes. Oh, that's cool. There's also decay ray. When attacking an enemy base, a certain proportion of seriously injured units will be degraded. Their unit level decreases by 1 with maximum of 1000 units. So right now we got engineer and war leader, and there is also diplomat, which is not yet available. So choose your profession wisely, guys. You can either choose war leader or you can choose engineer. So it's up to you, but this is a cool thing we got here, and the building also looks cool. So guys, if you find any helpful thing in this video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this.